Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have x plus xy plus y equals to 76, and here in this question we find the value of x plus y when our x and y are positive integers. So here the very first step we are going to do is, here first we copy down our question statement, and our question statement is x plus xy plus y equals to 76. And now in the next step here uh, we add plus 1 on both of the sides of this equation, and we write it as x plus xy plus y and plus 1 equals to 76 plus 1. Here we just add 1 on both of the sides. So now here you focus on first two terms and the second two terms, and you see here we have x with a common term, so we take it common x, and here we get 1 plus y, and plus here we take common 1 and we get y plus 1 equals to 76 plus 1 becomes 77. So in the next step you see here we have 1 plus y with a common factor, so that we take common 1 plus y and we get the remaining value is x plus 1 equals to 77. So we rearrange the terms and we write it as x plus 1 into y plus 1 equals to 77. So now here you focus on the left hand side and you see that we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So now here first we find the pairs in which the product of two numbers is equals to 77. So we have some possibilities in which we get 77. So the first possibility is, if we multiply 1 by 77, then you get 77. Similarly, if we multiply 77 by 1, then we again get 77. And the third possibility is 11 times of 7 is 77, and 7 times of 11 is also 77. So we have these four possibilities, and now first we choose the options, which options are correct to use here. Okay, so that here first you focus on these two factors, and you see here x plus 1 means that our x is greater than or equals to 2. Similarly, this is y plus 1 and it means that y is greater than or equals to 2, because our x and y are positive integers. So it means that if x plus 1, so you say that x is greater than or equals to 2 and y is greater than or equals to 2. So it means that we choose our x and y must be greater than or equals to 2. So in the first case, if we choose this is x, this is y, so this means that our x must be greater than or equals to 2, but it is less than 2, so that we rejected this case. And similarly in here you see that this is 1 and this is less than 2, so we can also reject this case. So in this case we have this number is greater than 2, this is also greater than 2, and in this case this is, and these two are greater than 2. So it means that these two are possible cases, but these are not a suitable case to solve this question. So here we choose these two cases, and now first we write our case number 1. So in first case we replace the 77 equals to 11 times of 7, and we get here x plus 1 into y plus 1 equals to 77, and we write it as 11 times of 7 is 77. So now here the time to compare both of the sides. So when we compare both of the sides, then you easily say that our x plus 1 equals to 11 and y plus 1 equals to 7. So this implies that x equals to, we move this 1 to the right hand side and it will becomes 11 minus 1, and this implies that y equals to, we move 1 to the right hand side and it is 7 minus 1. So this is 11 minus 1 is 10 and 7 minus 1 is 6. So in this case we have the value of x is 10 and the value of y is 6. So this is our first case, and because we find the value of x plus y, so we move towards our main target. So in order to find the value of x plus y, so x is 10 and our y is 6, so this will be equals to 16. So this shows that the value of x plus y equals to 16. So this is the first answer of this question. So now here we move towards our second case. So we can write here our case number 2. So in second case, you see here, in the first case we choose x plus 1 and y plus 1 equals to 11 times of 7. So in second case we choose this pair. 7 times of 11 is equals to 77. So now we replace this 77 by 7 times of 11. So it will be written as, in case number 2, x plus 1 into y plus 1 equals to 7 multiplied by 11. So here again we compare both of the sides, and you see that we have x plus 1 equals to 7 and y plus 1 equals to 11. So in this case we move this one to the right hand side and it will be equals to our x equals to 7 minus 1, and 7 minus 1 is 6. So in this case we move this plus 1 to the right hand side and we get y equals to 11 minus 1, and 11 minus 1 is also equals to 10. So here we have the value of x is 6, the value of y is 10. So these are the values of x and y in the second case. And now because in this question we need to find the value of x plus y, so here we just add these two values, and you see here x plus y equals to 6 plus 10. X is over 6 and y is over 10, so 6 plus 10 becomes 16. So here we have x plus y equals to 16. So this is the solution of second case. So I think so, you see here in the first case we also get the value of x plus y is 16. Similarly in the second case we again get the value of x plus y is 16. So this means that in both of the cases we get the same answer, and this is the final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.